driving over here. I guess we're waiting for a minivan to take us to Kanchanaburi. So apparently, the van that we paid for, that they said would drop us off right in front of our next hotel, didn't drop us right in front of our next hotel. We were looking at the map and we're like, oh, we're actually pretty close. And so we got dropped off close by to our next hotel destination, and
it's a guest house actually.
Yeah. Oh, we found it.
Thanks to
a local stranger. How kind of him. I don't know why I was expecting more trees. Oh, never mind, it's way up there with all the trees. Yeah. Voila. This way. Go through, my love. Push through. This is really cool. It's like we're in a real life rainforest cafe. They really managed to make this all quiet, you know, even though there are cars around us.
You can't hear anything.
Can't hear anything. It's like so. And they managed to keep all the mosquitoes away. Wow. I feel so at ease. And they also have petrified wood here, which is cool. It's got a fresh pineapple. Check this out.
It's so yummy.
So yummy. I got from that nice man over there. Kanchanaburi market. Yeah, this place is crazy. We actually stopping at this fried chicken joint. She's getting some shrimp paste fried rice, and we actually have homemade mango sticky rice. I think I found my favorite dessert now. And there she goes again. She's eating more. This place is so serene at night. Good morning.
Good morning.
Very tranquil, very calm. We're sitting at a table, which used to be a singing sewing machine, which is really cool. Waiting for breakfast. And it's actually quite cool today.
And then fresh food.
Where we going?
Going to the Erawan Waterfalls.
Yeah, so we just came to the bus station, booked a ticket. It was 50 baht per person. We're gonna have to get another ticket on the way back. But yeah, I'm excited. Look at this bus though. It's super colorful. Really nice people though, this man that sold it to us. His grandma sells bananas. We landed in Erawan. We're gonna find the waterfall soon. Ooh. Almost dropped the camera. It's a big wind, so I mean, I'm glad I brought a little denim jacket though. Damn, look at this wild pig. Damn. Wild pig, bro. Piggy. Oh, you so cute. Hello. Apparently there's 7 layers or 7 cascades to go to, and so we are actually heading to the first one. It said it was 500 meters from when we first started, so it's not that far. We want to dip our feet in, see how it feels, and maybe we'll see some monkeys and more pigs.
Yes.
So we made it to the first tier. We just came over there, walked over here, And here is the second waterfall. Oh, really? All the stairs. Woo. Looking for monkeys. Oh, I found one with a red backpack.
That's a cool looking waterfall though.
Ooh, we're getting tired, but it's all good. We still got a few more steps to go. There's 5, 6, and 7, I think. Being in the jungle's like, whew, more stairs. I almost told Marilyn that these waterfalls, they're starting to look the same, but it surprised me. We're on a bridge. And there's fish. One more waterfall. Woohoo! Look at this.
So worth it. In your
There you go, friends. We made it to the end of trail.
So it's almost 2 hours.
Almost 2 hours.
But
to
we
climb
took
up.
our time.
Yeah,
Like,
we really did. So put our feet in. Look at that. I feel like they're getting eaten by the fish. That guy's chilling though. We made it! Woo! We're at the top. Yeah. I don't know if I want to put my feet in to get bit by the fish. Cleaning her feet. Cleaning her feet. We're about to say goodbye to this place. 6th waterfall. Quite pretty. Hey, hello. I thought that was a bug, but it wasn't. It was just plants. Let's get out of here. Yeah, we made it to Bridge River Kwai. And we got young Ed Sheeran right here. Sorry, not Ed Sheeran, Taylor Swift. That's Bridge River Kwai right here. Apparently not the original River Kwai bridge, but man, that's fantastic though. It's still very historical because there's still a lot of people that's on it crossing. Woo! Oh, Kiri restaurant. Oh, thank you. You want some of this place, right?
So funny.
Yeah.
That's so funny.
Yeah, they're so cute. They have this all the time? Man, look at all these dogs. Just chilling. Yeah, man. We just left. Wonderful, wonderful 2-night stay at PY Guesthouse. The owners were wonderful. Ooh, you got something on your lens. Owners were wonderful, and Marilyn loved it. I loved it. There were lots of dogs. Two little dogs that were just sitting inside, as you saw. And oh, there was a cat in there too?
We saw it on the first day.
Oh yeah, there was a cat too. But we're actually getting picked up right now to either go to the bus station and go to Ayutthaya, or it's going to be a minibus that takes us directly to Ayutthaya. We don't know yet, but that's the adventure of it all. And we'll see you soon though.